Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we are finally here. This is the unit. It is clearer, shall we say, but we're not there. Let me just quickly pick you up and I'll give you a quick tour of what we've done. So as you can see from the last video, it is considerably clearer than what it was. We've got our tools in, Christmas decorations, boys weights bench. Yeah, so what the aim is to get this lot here all sorted out, get our toolbox, which is buried there, can't see my finger, but anyway, there, up there where the fish tank is, the fish tank and everything else is going away, and then we're going to get all of this all sorted out, and then hopefully have all of this, including what I'm standing on at the present moment, clear. So let's see what we can get done. We've got got my roll cab here as well that we've got to sort out. All my spanners are everywhere, so we've got to get that sorted out. Yeah, so still got a light to fix. We get onto that. So let's get to it. Right, I've had to go and get my jacket on because I'm cold. It's freezing. Right, so I'm going to get you set on the tripod down there. You can see what we're doing. So we're going to get you set up and I'll pick you up if we come to start doing anything interesting. So we've finally got all the spanners found, because obviously when I moved them, a lot of them had fallen down into this drawer and fallen down into there, which I then sorted all of that out because that is all a load of old alarm system I had, and power tools and an old CD changer, and had some Mickey Mouse living in the bottom of my toolbox rent free. But yeah, that's all done. So I'm just going to finish off the middle drawer, give that a quick tidy up. Bottom drawer is just all my odds and sods, all my old bolts and bits and that I keep, slungs for pulling cars up onto trailers and things like that, which we don't really need at the moment, but gaskets and stickers and things. So that's that. But now on to the other toolbox, and I need to stick my sticker back on, my snap-on badge back on my box because it broke before and I've got to put it back on. So yeah, let's get onto that one. Then we're going to get all this cleared from up here, and we're going to get the box from here to where those boxes are, and that fish tank is there. I'm going to put my main box there. This is then going to go underneath it, and we're going to sort it out underneath there, and then obviously store a lot of this under there, so that we can then get in. But we're making progress. We are making progress. Right guys, quick update. We have now got the toolbox moved. We've got the TV up. Let me spin you around and show you. So as you can see, we've got the toolbox up there. We've got the telly up, priorities. We've got a nice Ducati mat down that one of my friends gave me that I used to work with. We've got the toolbox, the roll cab underneath there. And yeah, we are getting there. We've still got quite a bit to do here, but we are making progress. Like, I'm standing in space, you know, space we didn't have before. Them chairs are going to the dump. My boy's bench is going to go in here for now so that we can still get to my box. So yeah, we are getting there. So I just spin you around 1 second. I didn't want you to be stuck on a time lapse for so long, so I just sort of cracked on and got a bit done. And I just thought I'd give you an update. So I'll come back to you once it's all done and we'll have a look around. Right everyone, welcome back. So we are as good as, damn it, done. There's not enough room in here for a car yet, but we will be able to make more room. I've got some stuff I've got to get rid of, some parts from previous projects, some fish tanks and stuff that I'm not doing anymore. But yeah, other than that, I'll spin you around. Here we are. As I say, we've got a lot of this we still got to go through and get rid of, but we can walk through the unit. As I say, it's not the biggest, but it'll do us for a start. It will do us for a start. A lot of stuff I've got to sort of move around again. So I'm going home for today, so I'm going to pick this up tomorrow, and then we'll get the video finished tomorrow. Hiya guys. Right, so it's a few days later now. I haven't been able to get rid of the stuff that I want to get rid of, obviously because work commitments. I've got a full-time job to do for Marvellous. I'm working for Marvellous now, Marvellous Cars. I'll link his channel down below, Marvellous Lara. So yeah, I've obviously been busy with doing Marv's bits and getting these jobs and everything booked in for him, make sure they're all there. So I'll give you a quick one. It does look a hell of a lot better in here though, so I'll give you a quick glance of what it looks like, and then yeah, 1 second. So we've got a few more bits up now. I've got my liquid moly sign, I've got my auto electro clock. I've actually put this down, which one of my friends gave me when I worked for the Motor Factors. Yep, so he gave me that, so I've put that there underneath my toolbox. I've still got a bit tidying up to do up there. As I say, all the boxes are away now. Everything's a lot neater than what it was. Still got to get rid of all of this stuff. Anyone wants some fish tanks, let me know, they are for sale. I'm also going to be starting up an eBay page because I've got some bits from previous projects and RCZ that I've done. I've got a couple of lights for that. Fiat 500 grill. I've got some Fiat 500 lights and stuff and that in there. So yeah, so that's basically it for now. So we have got a project for the channel. Now there's only one person other than my partner that knows what it is, and that is actually Marvellous. We have got a project. Now it is too big to go in here, far too big to go in here. Might just give it away a little bit there, but that is going to be very soon. I'm gonna record the video for that on Friday afternoon, evening, when I go down there to sort some final details out with the vehicle. So yeah, that will be Friday, and then I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't think it's going to be that long. I think a lot of it is mainly just sort of time lapsing of me tidying up in here. So I'm going to get this one edited. I'm going to get this one up. Like and subscribe, guys. That's the only way we're going to get this channel to grow. You know, I'd really like to get to, we're at 13 subscribers now, which doesn't sound like a lot to most people, but it's a lot for me. So I'm actually out with Marvellous tomorrow. You will see me on Marvellous's channel in a couple of weeks. We've got an upcoming video coming for that, so I'm out doing the video with him tomorrow. So yeah, everything's crazy at the moment. Everything's up in the air. It's weird. It's really weird having this lifestyle now. I'm blessed. I am blessed. I work for a good guy. I've got a blinding partner. She's massively supportive of me. So anyway, I'm waffling. I am going to end this here. Like I said, like and subscribe. Share the video, guys. Share it to everyone. Tell all your friends and family to subscribe to the channel. And let's get this channel building. And then, yeah, and then we've got the big project coming. And it's a project. So you will see that very, very shortly. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.